So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Heena and you are watching InteriorMaata. So finally I had enough time to make this video and I'm really happy today because when I wanted to for a long time I'm trying to make this video and I was not having my peace of mind. तो मैं ये वीडियो बनाना स्किप कर रही थी क्योंकि मैं चाहती थी जब ये मैं वीडियो बनाऊँ तब मैं रियली खुश हूँ इन माई रेगुलर लाइफ ऑल्सो सो दैट इट रिफ्लेक्ट्स इन माई वीडियो. सो आई टुक टाइम एंड finally I'm here. Today I'm going to show you my subscriber count right now. My subscriber is one second. My subscriber is right now. The time is 5:04 and it's 31st. Tomorrow it is going to be 1st April. Today is 31st March and my subscriber is 1577. Yes, my subscriber is 1577 and I love you all. I really love you all and thank you subscribing to my channel. It means a lot, you know, like if you have a YouTube channel you can relate, I know, but if you don't have a YouTube channel I'll let me tell you how it feels. जब भी आपको बहुत दिनों से कुछ चाहत होती है ना, अगर आप बहुत दिल से चाहो and one day you see it happens. This is how I felt when I got my 1000 subscribers because I was looking crazily at my subscriber count every single day and I don't know how YouTube works, but it was for me as an achievement. Like yeah, 1000 people actually subscribe to my channel. They want to see my videos and that was a very good feeling, guys. And I want to thank every single of you who subscribe to my channel and I really love you all. Like from bottom of my heart I love you all a lot. So I am very much open to any constructive criticism and if you have anything you want to tell me you can directly tell me on my Instagram direct message or you can comment here so I can see and improve myself. That's the thing. So yes, YouTube ने मुझे एक मेल भेजा after you know I got my 1000 subscribers. I want to show you that mail somewhere here, so I will read out to you क्या उन्होंने मेल भेजा है. The mail is like crazy. So I'll show you the mail what YouTube has sent me when I crossed my 1000 subscribers. They actually उन्होंने मुझे केला भेजा था. They have sent me bananas. So जो जिनके 1000 सब्सक्राइबर ऑलरेडी है, you know कि वो भेजते हैं ये चीज़. I don't know if you can see. So it is written, yes, you have passed 1000 subscriber today. और ये 7th March का है. आज 31 तारीख 31st है. उन्होंने 7th March को ये वीडियो बनाया था शाम को 7:41 पे. So they have written, InteriorMaata, we always knew this day would come and we hope you did too. Your channel just hit first 1000 subscriber. Next stops 10,000 subscriber peeps. Now go and take this GIF and share with the world. Yes, and the GIF it shows you cross 1000 subscriber and this is bananas. bananas. So yes, उन्होंने मुझे ये भेजा और and I loved it. Yes, it was an achievement and I'm really happy. Now come to the giveaway part. तो I was looking for a process, a genuine process जिसमें मैं ये giveaway कर सकती थी और किसी को भी बिना hurt करके. So what I did is I took 10 of my I won't say followers, my friends, जिन्होंने नीचे कमेंट्स किया and they supported me like anything. Like from last 4 months they are supporting me like crazy. आप लोगों ने यहाँ पे कमेंट किया है so मेरे वीडियोस से जहाँ पे my mood was off and people were supporting, हाँ Rania you can do this and you can do that, and that was so good. It was so good. It was like people are like obviously family to me, but this day 10 people stand out. So I have taken, I'm not going to name all of you, but I'm going to I have written the 10 names here. And in front of you right now I'm going to pick one cheat. These are the names, and I'm going to pick one cheat, and he or she is going to win this giveaway from me. So all the best. Yeah, okay, I have this. So I'm not looking at it, and this is the name. I'm going to open it in front of you, and this is Sarika. I don't know Sarika. Sarika, congratulations. You own this gift and you deserve it. Sarika, you are messaging me. I can see a lot of comments of yours, and thank you so much being there, and congratulations with winning this gift. What I want you to do, that you are going to drop me your home address in my Instagram, or you can mail me in this email ID here, and I'm going to send you this gift in the next 7 days, and definitely holding that gift you are going to send me a picture. Can you do that for me, Sarika? So see you on that in my messages. And I have a special announcement, a special gift for a special person who is like a rock to me. She messaged me, and when I was down in the middle of I was not able to make videos as I promised, and I was lacking for a few things. She was a rock for me, and that is Heena. And congratulations, Heena. I'm going to give you a surprise gift. I love you. I really love you, and you are messaging me all the time, and you are like a friend to me now, and I wanted you to like be there forever with this YouTube channel with me, and that's why I wanted to give you a surprise gift, and that will be surprise, Heena. And you know me, you have my Instagram number, we talk a lot, so you are going to send me your address too. So that will be surprise, and as well as like Sarika is doing, तुम्हें भी मुझे मैसेज करना है, आप तुम्हारे पिक्चर भेजना है तुम्हारे वो गिफ्ट को लेके, and I'll share those 2 pictures with you all, so that we can share this moment all together. So yeah, that is for all. Next talk जो है वो है 10K subscriber. If you are new in this channel, subscribe to my channel, and well, we are growing and we are going to grow as a family. And yes, that's all. I'm talking too much. I'm really happy. Finally, I'm making this video. It is an experience, and yes, it is an experience. We are a team, and we are going to do it all together like a bond. I'm happy. So today, for this, again, congratulations all of you. We hit 100K and 15K, 1500K, 1.5K. Is it okay? Yeah, we hit 1.5K, and like that's all. So till next video, which is going to come after this, like today only, that will be a reaction video. I'm doing this series of reaction videos, seeing my old videos. That will be a funny video for you all. And till then, see you. Bye.